It's a beautiful Christmas morning. All right, so it's Christmas Day and it's gonna be pretty chill, just staying at home, not going anywhere. It's just me and my immediate family. My brother and I are supposed to write a sketch today. That's what we had agreed on, so we'll see if that happens. But other than that, it's gonna be a relaxing Christmas. I'm starting a new job in January and I'll be moving to Korea. Needless to say, I have a lot on my mind and I'm trying to just take a break from that for at least one day. Okay, straightened hair, complete. Oh, well, it used to be called MP. Now it's called Acme. You can always count on Asian businesses to be open on Christmas. We're at H Mart right now. Okay, so we just got back from H Mart, did some last minute grocery shopping. We have like a local Acme and then 5 minutes away from where we live, there's a ShopRite. They were all closed, so we had to go to H Mart, and H Mart to the rescue. So it's a relaxing Christmas. Going to H Mart and driving like got my mind off of the anxiety that I was feeling this morning. And now I'm actually gonna sit down and journal and reflect. Always start with the left side first. I don't know why.
Miles. Turn left on West Glen Avenue.
Will you still be here?
It's a Sunday. I went to church today and I told a couple people that I ran into that I'm moving soon. Yeah, it's kind of like bittersweet, and I don't know, I'll be back anyway to visit. I had lunch with a friend from church and it made me realize that like there are a lot of things that I haven't been thinking about, kind of pushing off. So I'm trying to like do some research ahead of time right now, but there are a lot of things that I have to deal with here logistically before I even can worry about everything in Korea and like what I have to do once I get there. I'm on this website called internations.org, and it says requirements to open a bank account as a non-resident. One of the most necessary required documents for setting up a bank account in South Korea as a non-resident is also one of the greatest hindrances for expats. The Alien Residence Card, also known as 외국인 등록 카드. When you first arrive in South Korea, it can take up to a month to receive your ARC. Banks are aware of this. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so that's good to know. For me, I think it's going to be a little bit different because I have the 주민 등록증, or whatever it's called, like the Korean ID card. I just need to get it renewed. So the process might be a little bit different for you. But yeah, hope you found that piece of information helpful. Okay, so I just got back from the city. I woke up early, went to a cafe, did a work call, and then I met up with 2 of my college friends. Anyway, I got home and look what I got in the mail. Open for something wonderful. They're here. All right, here they are. What do you think? So I'm leaving next week and things are gonna get really hectic because I still have work. So I'm packing right now. It's a Friday night. So I have an update. Because of the whole coronavirus madness, maybe 2 weeks ago, I spoke with the CEO of my company. It's a really small company, and he is letting me stay here in the States a bit longer and to leave for Korea. It's kind of flexible actually, sometime in March. So I postponed my flight date. That worked out. I have a few more weeks to like get ready for the move to Korea, and I actually feel relieved because there was just so much going on, but now that I have a bit more time, I can kind of take care of everything in a more relaxed fashion. These were the 3 bags that I was gonna bring on my trip to Korea. 2 bags that I would check in, like this one and that one, and this is gonna be my carry-on bag. I really don't think I can handle any more than this. It's just really hard to carry a bunch of luggage by myself, and I'm not the strongest person. So anyway, I need to repack, and I thought I'd film like a short how to pack for Korea segment. Yeah, now that I'm not gonna be there when it's super cold, I just need to pack for spring and summer. So let's start off with the first bag. This is probably my heaviest bag, and it has all of my clothes. This is like winter spring coat from Zara. It's a long coat, and in Korea a lot of people wear long coats, especially trench coats in the spring. That's something that I noticed. This is definitely not a trench coat, but it is a long coat, and I think I'll be able to wear this in the spring when it's still pretty chilly out. So I'm gonna keep that. Underneath I have basically like all of my underclothes, a sweater, a crop top, which I'll wear probably late spring. I have a denim jacket. I threw in some shorts. I threw in a cardigan here, socks, and what do you call this kind of thing? So yeah, that's one side of the bag. Okay, here's where we have all the good stuff. Okay, so leather jacket is a must in Korea. And then underneath this, I have some denim. I have denim shorts, and I have a pair of skinny jeans. So this is definitely a look, a trend that I've been seeing a lot the past 2 years or so, every time I visited Korea in the spring. So a lot of Korean women, I've noticed, wear this type of denim in the spring and summer. Almost boot cut, but like ripped at the end. So yeah, that's just like a sneak peek of my clothes. The clothes that I'm packing for Korea. I have some sweatpants here. I have a skirt and some tops for the spring and summer. Yeah, and I threw in like 2 dresses. So I don't really have many clothes in this bag. This is more of like the utility bag where I have my shoes. I have like 2 or 3 t-shirts thrown in here. My makeup bags here. I have some towels, face masks that I like never use, but I feel like I should because, you know, K-beauty. Some sweatpants, an umbrella. Okay, and on this side, I just have a bunch of toiletries, and I have like pads, deodorant, contacts because I wear dailies. This is essential. I got a C. I packed Lactate because it's kind of hard to find substitutes for milk in Korea at cafes. They don't really offer a lot of options like almond milk, soy milk, whatever. So I'm sure that some cafes do, but I noticed that it's not really widespread. So, you know, if you have to drink milk or you have to eat ice cream at some point, which you will, and you're like mildly lactose intolerant like me, then it's smart to bring some Lactate with you. Yeah, I threw in my purse, the backpack, and yeah, that's it for the second bag.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah.
Got to my hotel in LA. This is a hotel that I've been to 2 other times. So I'm really excited. Let me show you the hotel. I'm sad that I'm only here for 1 night. Because after this, I'm checking into an Airbnb. I will enjoy it for now. This is my room. It's a king bed. There's the mirror and the desk and some alcohol wipes because you know why. Yeah, the closet. Yep, extra pillow and slippers, safety box. This is the bathroom. It's really big. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty good, but I think for a long time I didn't know how to use it. Did you learn? I watched. So, my plans to work in Korea have been completely upended, if that's the word. I just got back a couple of days ago from LA from my 1-week business trip, and then I actually got off a call with somebody from work, and he was saying like, oh, actually with like the whole coronavirus situation just getting worse and worse by the day, would you be interested in working in LA for however many weeks they need me for. And obviously not right now because classes are getting canceled. All these like institutions are closing down. So yeah, like obviously right now I will continue working remotely. But if things by some miracle settle down, I might actually be working in LA for a couple weeks. And then after that, moving to Korea, switching over to the Seoul office. It's definitely a little nerve-wracking, but you know what? I'm gonna just like take it by the day and see how things turn out. So that's just where I am, and hopefully my next vlog will be of me packing and actually leaving for Korea. So wish me luck.